Hello guys, in today's video we are gonna try to solve a coreless 3x3 cube. Just a minute. Yeah, we're okay. In today's video we are gonna solve a coreless 3x3 cube. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay. So this can be attained only in the magnetic cube, though if you are not having a magnetic cube, go buy one. Okay, so let's try to scramble this first. Oh. Okay, that was 120. Let's scramble. Okay, I think scramble is enough. Now let's try to solve this. So basically it does not have 4, so let's start to find this. So I believe. So this video is going to be a little bit faster because it's very tough to solve a magnetic cube which doesn't have a core or a center. Oof. So because let's get this. Let's practice. Dang. Why is it come off? You know what, guys? I quit. Oh wait, I can solve this still. Yay! I solved it. The magical powers of Harry Potter had come into me and solved this. So thank you for watching the video till the end, guys, and don't forget to like this video. So until next time, goodbye.